It's so exciting what Abor school can do. Last year it was so marvelous, and this year is going to be super mega duper explosive. You know, the boys, no, boys and girls, they are so good. When it comes to science, technology, and engineering, you will see how beautiful they go into manufacturing of agriculture, equipment, scientific, engineering, what have you. And this combines several schools across the country, but especially in the Volta region. So bear in mind, you need to be there if you are an organization or a sector, find yourself in this engineering, scientific, being technology, what have you, you need to be there. You are an individual also who want to sponsor this event, you are also good to be there. NGOs, government organizations, you need to be there. And these are the guys that you need to, discover talent in them, begin to equip them, employ them, get them involved in your sector or your industry. I believe they are so much talented in terms of brain works.
Last year was big, but this year promises to be even better with 18 schools and over 40 projects and the bragging rights of a crown. Abor Senior High School, in collaboration with Opportunity and Risk Management Institute, presents the second edition of Science, Technology and Engineering Fair 2023. Theme: Inventions for Community Development. Program lineup: Friday 31st March 2023, Project Exhibition and Assessment. Saturday 1st April, Deba and Public Viewing. Time: 7 a.m. each day. Venue: Abor Senior High School premise. For sponsorship, partnership or inquiries, contact 0554 64 2732 or 0243 713240. Email sciencegtechfair@gmail.com. This event is powered by Abor Senior High School, Opportunity and Risk Management Institute, and iDreams.